Looking for a simple, effective way to get stronger, leaner, and more energized in just 1 week? This 7-day total body workout plan is designed to train every major muscle group, improve stamina, and build consistency, all without complicated routines. Whether you're a beginner or getting back into fitness, this plan works for you. Let's break it down day by day. Day 1. Full body strength. Start your week with compound movements that activate your entire body. Focus on squats, push-ups, lunges, and planks. These exercises build strength and improve balance. Perform 3 sets of each exercise with controlled form. This day sets the foundation for muscle activation and calorie burning. Day 2. Cardio and core. Today is all about endurance and fat burn. Add brisk walking, jogging, cycling, or jump rope for 20-30 minutes. After cardio, train your core with exercises like mountain climbers, leg raises, and Russian twists. A strong core improves posture, stability, and performance in all workouts. Day 3. Upper body focus. Time to train your chest, shoulders, arms, and back. Include push-ups, tricep dips, shoulder taps, and resistance band rows if available. Keep reps moderate and focus on mind-muscle connection. Upper body strength improves daily movement and overall athletic performance. Day 4. Active recovery. Your body grows when it recovers. Today, do light stretching, yoga, or a relaxed walk. This reduces soreness, improves flexibility, and prevents injury. Recovery is not laziness, it's part of progress. Day 5. Lower body power. Train your legs and glutes with exercises like squats, glute bridges, calf raises, and step-ups. Lower body workouts boost metabolism because they involve large muscle groups. Strong legs also improve balance, speed, and stamina. Day 6. HIIT Fat Burn. High-intensity interval training helps burn maximum calories in minimum time. Do 30 seconds of burpees, jumping jacks, high knees, and squat jumps followed by 30 seconds rest. Repeat for 15-20 minutes. HIIT improves heart health and accelerates fat loss. Day 7. Total Body Challenge. Finish strong with a full body circuit combining strength and cardio. Mix squats, push-ups, planks, lunges, and jumping movements. Perform in a circuit style with minimal rest. This day tests endurance and keeps your body adapting. Now here's the most important part: consistency. You don't need a gym. You don't need expensive equipment. What you need is discipline and a plan. Follow this 7-day structure every week, increase reps gradually, and focus on proper form. Also remember, stay hydrated. Eat balanced meals with protein, healthy fats, and carbs. Sleep at least 7 hours. Track your progress weekly. Fitness is not about perfection. It's about showing up every day and improving step by step. Within a few weeks, you'll notice more energy, better stamina, stronger muscles, improved confidence, and a healthier lifestyle overall. This plan works because it trains strength, cardio, mobility, and recovery together, the 4 pillars of total body fitness. If you found this workout plan helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more simple, effective fitness routines every week. Comment below and tell me your fitness goal: fat loss, muscle gain, or stamina. And I'll create a workout plan just for you. Remember, your body can achieve anything when your mind stays consistent. Start today, stay committed, and become the strongest version of yourself.